Hey friends, if you wish to run File Explorer as administrator in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now right click on the open space on your desktop and then select new, select shortcut, type the name as explorer.exe, okay, and then give it the said name, okay, and then click on finish. Now right click on this one and you can select this option to run it as an administrator. This is how you can open File Explorer as an administrator. Now, why am I suggesting this method? Because if you were to directly do it from here, you'll notice that right clicking on it does not give you the option to run it as an administrator. So the best option is that do it through the shortcut method. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.